everybody, this is Jonathan. I hope that you guys had a good week. So today I'll be doing a video on Gnome OS Nightly. And Gnome OS is basically a Linux distribution that's not based off anything. It does have a package manager. Its only purpose is to allow the user to test out new features with GNOME OS. So this is used by the developers as well as the testers to provide some feedback to the developers to improve on the code before that GNOME OS release comes publicly out. So yes, if you guys want to download it, just go to os.gnome.org, scroll down, and we should see this download link. Just click onto it, and it should start downloading the ISO image. At the moment, it only works in GNOME boxes, but obviously you guys can install on real hardware. We just need to go through the installation guide if we want to install this onto a real computer. And there's also GNOME boxes, which is a third machine. Okay, let's try out right now. So to try out, all you need to do is open up GNOME boxes, and now open up the third machine I already have created, and that is the GNOME OS Nightly. Just click on it. And now all you do is now select GNOME OS installer, press on the enter key. Okay, we look like we're here now. So we can format with GNOME OS. Is this the GNOME OS version we'd like to use? If not, download another. Just select next. Select disk we'd like to reformat with GNOME OS. Let's go ahead and select this one, and I will have to now press this tick box in order to allow the application to erase all of my files and apps. But there's nothing on this hard drive, so I don't really care, but make sure that this is ticked so we'll be able to proceed to the next step. Now select next, and now it should start with formatting for drive. With formatting finished, so it says power for computer, then remove your USB device. When you restart, GNOME OS will be ready for you to set up and enjoy. So let's go ahead and power off this third machine. Failed unmounting. Okay, never mind. Okay, it looks like I was able to shut down. Let me go into preferences. Let me go to device and sharing, and I'm going to go and remove the ISO image, like so. I'm going to go ahead and boot up to the system, and hopefully it was actually able to be installed. Okay, it's booting up. That is a good indication. Okay, we were able to boot up to the GNOME OS. Okay, welcome. So we'll guys just have to select to language from here. I'll just select English, United States, I think it was, yep. Okay, so now guys need to select your keyboard layout. My keyboard layout is English, United Kingdom, so I need to look for, hold on. English. I should be able to search it up. Here is English UK. Let me just select it, and now hopefully that keyboard layout is now selected, which it is. Now select next. You guys can disable some privacy settings. So obviously you guys can disable the location services. But I'll just keep that enabled. But to turn it off, all you do is just press on this toggle button. But I'll just turn it back on. Select the next button. Time zone. So all you need to do is just select your is to enter your city. Alright guys, click on the map and select which country we are in currently, or what state we're in. So we're going to go ahead and select England. The time zone is going to be the same because it's quite a small country. So I'm just going to just tap onto United Kingdom on the map. But you guys can also search for cities as well by just typing down London over here. And you guys should be able to find London in the United Kingdom. But I'm just going to use the actual map because it's easier that way. We just need to click on one country and it should allow you to set that to be your time zone. Now let me go ahead and click on the next button, about you. So we just need to put down your name or full name, and then this will give you for username, which your username will be Jonathan Stedman. But make sure to enter your own full name in this entry box. And I think from here we should be able to change your avatar image by clicking on this pencil icon, and you guys can select which of the icons you like. So for example, I can select this cat image because I think cats are cute. And you guys can also set up parental controls for this user for use by a parent or supervisor who must set up their own password. Don't worry about that. We can just have that one disabled. Click on to next. Now you guys can go ahead and enter your password. Yeah, it's done. So now you guys can just type down your password. Now you guys will need to confirm it. Now all you need to do, this password does not match. Right, let me type it. Okay, cool. Now select the next button. All done, Gnome OS is ready to be used. And now you guys can select start using Gnome OS. Okay, you guys can select to take tour, or you guys can skip. Let's take a tour, shall we? Let's begin. Learn about the key features in Gnome OS Nightly. Get an overview. The overview shows all your apps and windows. Press the super key Windows key to open it. Power search. To search, just start typing for overview. We can use search to launch apps, find files, perform calculations, and more. Stay organized with workspaces. Swipe up and down if you're using a laptop. Swipe left and right, same for a laptop. That's it. To get more advice and tips, see the help app. Let's close out of it. So this is the system. You guys can click with dev notifications. But let me go ahead and open up this. I want to check if there's going to be a new update. So let's select updates. Oh wait, there's a new update to Gnome OS. I'll just go ahead and refresh it. Okay, it's right now. I think it's downloading, but I'm just going to set this download button over there, and it should allow me to start downloading the new update. But let's go ahead and explore the software manager. So this is where I'll be able to install some software with this software installer. They have some applications available. They have Microsoft Edge, they have Dolphin emulator, they've got App Flowy, they got maps as well, so you guys can select maps. I think this is GNOME Maps, and you guys can go ahead and just press on the install button, and that should allow you to install it, which is pretty cool. So they do have some applications available to install. So yeah, it's currently trying to download GNOME OS, the latest version, I do believe. But let's go ahead and just browse through this system, even though all it is just the latest version of GNOME. So I can go ahead and open up files. This is my file manager. I can obviously go to downloads to take me to the downloads directory. I can collect all the documents. This will take me to the documents directory and so on. I'm wondering, can I enable the dark mode? Let me go into appearance, and I want to be able to select the dark mode. Here is the darky mode. Okay, now we have enabled dark mode. So that is amazing. Let me go into system to see what GNOME version I'm running. About. I think it crashed on me. Let me just go back. About. Okay. Maybe try to run this within the terminal. Right. So it probably will be a lot easier to do within the terminal. Let's go to console. And then from console, I might be able to do nil fetch. It may be your name. We got Linux. Okay. Why is it crashing on me? I just want to check what GNOME version this is running, but it keeps crashing on me. So that might just be a bug. Yeah, I can't really tell what GNOME version I'm running, but it's right now it's doing an update. So hopefully this will fix the problem. I'll go ahead and pause this video till the new GNOME OS update. Oh, okay. Looks like it was able to be installed. So I'm going to go ahead and just press on the restart and update. Let's go ahead and restart. And this will allow me to actually install it to the hard drive. Because all I did at the moment was download it, I do believe. So we should be able to go ahead and install it. This is how it works on Fedora. But I don't know. I never actually tried GNOME OS before. I press on the escape key just to see what's going on in the background. Primary header thinks alt header is not at the end of a disk, and it's currently trying to reboot. Okay, let me just go ahead over there. Okay, so now what I need to do is just select user, put down your password. Okay. And now let's go ahead and check what GNOME version I'm running. Maybe this new update might have fixed a problem about. Okay, it did fix the problem. And the GNOME version that we're running is the system details, right? OS name, Wayland, GNOME 40's version 47. Okay, so we're running GNOME version 47. And what's the one I got on my system? I want to check. The one I got on my system, if I run neofetch, is I'm running GNOME. I'm running GNOME 46. So this is running GNOME 47. As you guys can see. So that's pretty cool. And you guys can go ahead and play around with the system and just see what's coming about new. Now you guys can select disks. You guys can select one of the drives. Okay, that looks like it's getting a new update. Why did they do that? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But over there just shows up the volumes of partitions. You guys should be able to do a smart data and self-test. But I don't like this new UI update. It's not very good. I like the way it was previously, which I have a look. Previously, it was like something like this, and I prefer this look to it, where I'll be able to see our volumes like so. This looks a lot better than this garbage. But you know, I can probably downgrade it back to this version anyway. So yeah, it does look like the GNOME disk is getting a no update, and I don't like it. It looks so bad. I like the way if it was like in a grid, not like this bullshit. But yeah, you guys can go ahead, open up to the task view. You guys can open up like videos, and that point might have some updates as well. So yeah, GNOME OS Nightly is there for any user to actually start experimenting with what will be new, to understand, to actually provide some feedback to the developers, so you guys can go ahead and mess around with the desktop environment and to see what will be new in the system, or just to mess around with the actual system and to see what will be brand new and all of the new stuff that will be included with the next release of GNOME. Obviously, some stuff may not work properly, and this was not designed to be for everyday use. This was made for people to test out what will be new with GNOME. So yeah, this basically is really with this video. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.